due to the dismissal of a new case involving the improper importation of 2 dogs into Australia. Amber Heard won't face any perjury charges regarding the 2015 importation of her canines to Australia. Amber Heard won't be charged further. Australian officials revealed on Tuesday that the Aquaman actress will not be charged in connection with claims that she misled about the specifics of how her 2 Yorkshire Terriers entered Australia in 2015. Heard had taken her dogs Pistol and Boo to the Australian Gold Coast at the time, where her ex-husband Johnny Depp was filming the 5th entry in the Pirates of the Caribbean series. Heard violated Australia's quarantine laws by arriving without declaring that she was taking her canines with her. Heard was charged with 2 charges of bringing the canines into the country against the law, and 1 count of creating a false document, a spokesman for the Commonwealth Department of Public Prosecutions told People in July of that year. Heard, 37, appeared in Southport Magistrates Court in Australia in 2016 and admitted to producing a fraudulent immigration document as a result of this. The allegations of bringing the canines into Australia illegally were dropped, and Heard was given a 1-month good behavior bond instead, according to ABC News. The outlet claims that when Heard failed to declare her canines upon arrival in Australia, her attorney claimed in 2016 that she had planned to falsify, but a statement from a former Depp employee, Kevin Murphy, made in court in 2020 when Depp sued the Sun for libel, said that Heard had been aware of Australia's quarantine laws and put pressure on a staff member to accept responsibility for the law violation, according to ABC News and Associated Press. According to the Australian Broadcasting Corporation, Depp and Heard's former assistant both testified in court in 2020 to support allegations that Heard was aware of problems with bringing the dogs to Australia. According to the source, the 2020 testimony prompted the Australian authorities to launch a perjury probe. However, the Department of Agriculture, Fisheries and Forestry in Australia, the country's biosecurity agency, reports that the possible prosecution has now been dropped by the prosecutors. In a statement released on Tuesday, the department announced that actress Amber Heard would not be prosecuted in connection with claims that she was sentenced for bringing 2 canines into Australia illegally in 2015. The government also revealed to AP that they had collaborated with foreign organizations to determine whether the actress had given a false testimony and lied when she asserted that she was ignorant of the biosecurity regulations in Australia. The government also looked into whether any employees had fabricated statutory declarations while under duress, according to AP.